Hello everyone, this is Mahnoor Imran from Synergy Technical, your go-to Microsoft partner. Today we'll show you something really simple on how you can use Copilot in Excel. I know a lot of people who use Excel are professionals, and a lot of people who don't know or are scared of Excel just get very scared of the idea of using it. Today we'll show you a simple example of that and how you can leverage Copilot in Excel to really boost your productivity and just do things a lot faster. All right, now that you can see my screen, we're going to go to Excel. And as you can see, this is a sheet we have that has employee compensation, salary bands, benefits, and demand planning. So we're going to do a couple things here to kind of show you guys what you can do in Excel to really, be more productive. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and hit Copilot on the top right here, and it's going to give you the top 4 options to get started. So that's add formula columns. It gives you the option to highlight specific things, sort and filter, analyze, and these are at the top because these are the most commonly used ones. We also have access to the suggested prompts, so if that's something that you want to do, you can do that, or you can type in your own question in the prompt box. So we're going to type in our own question using simple language, and you can do that with just asking whatever question you think is specific to your data set. So here we're going to ask to filter the data only to display the results that have the word technician included in the title. And it's going to go ahead and do that without any formula. As you can see, it now gives us all the answers, all the titles that only have the word technician in it and nothing else. And we didn't have to do any filtering or apply any formula. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to hit this prompt box, and it's going to give us 4 options to create, understand, edit, or ask. We're going to hit edit, and we want to sort. Then it's going to populate the word sort, and from there it's going to ask you what you want to sort by. So what we're going to do is we're going to say that we want to do it by the risk in descending order. It's going to go ahead, understand your data, and apply that formula pretty quick. It's going to say it's finishing up, and now it says done. I sorted the table in descending order. Is there anything else I can help you with? So there's a couple more things that you can do. Now we're going to ask for a suggestion. So we're going to say show a suggestion for a formula column. It's going to go ahead and do that, and it will suggest a column calculating the salary increase that's recommended for each employee based on the impact of loss that they've had. And not only does it generate and show the formula, but it provides a description of that formula and an explanation of that formula, making it that much easier to understand. So you're not just doing anything blindly and you're just kept in the loop the entire time. You can hover over this and it's going to show you what that formula would look like. If you like it, you can go ahead and insert that column, and then next what you can do is you can also ask a question. So if you want to ask a question, you can say add the current salary with the increase to get the new base salary. So you just want to see what the new salary would be with the increment. We're going to hit send, and it's going to go ahead and do the same thing it did before and add that formula so you can see. So if you hover over it again, you'll be able to see the new salary. So if you insert, it's gonna populate that in column I, and it's gonna show you the old salary was that, we add the new one, the increase, and that's the new salary, making it that much easier to just do basic things, in this case for HR, and just giving you some time back to focus on things that need more of your attention. So as you can see from that demo, you're still in control of your data, but Copilot really helps you move faster and with more confidence. That's the real goal here. So you're not, you're leveraging Copilot to make your life easier and do these tasks a lot faster. And so if it can directly apply the formula for you, it will tell you how to do it step by step. So it makes it easier. You know how to navigate away to Google to ask questions, and it can directly help you from there. You can do different things. You can create pivot tables. You can create charts. You can find different things that are in the data set that just look wrong, and get explanations for why certain numbers are there, and it's all at your fingertips that you can use today. Thank you.